Good morning, guys. How are y'all doing today? I'm making a video to show you my grapes, the progress on them, and what I'm doing to protect them from the birds. Basically, what I did is I bought these little bags. These bags, they're usually for, you know, to put in fruit. I usually see them like in oranges or lemons, limes. You see, so basically you put them in there. Kind of looks like a sock. You see, so it goes in there, and it kind of like it it wraps it. It it expands. So basically, what I did is I put the grapes. I put it inside the grapes, and it wraps it. You see, so as it grows, it's growing with the grapes. You see, pretty good example over here. This one's a bigger one. You see, it's almost going to the bottom. So I really haven't seen anyone do this. I've seen like on the internet, they put bags or whatever. So I mean, I saw these bags. I'm like, well, maybe it might work on the on grapes. So I tried it, and as you can see, I mean, they're all doing pretty good. I haven't seen any damage from birds. The only thing is that since I'm down here, deep South Texas, the sun is starting to pick up. It's been like 105. It's been yesterday, the past 2 days has been like 3 digits. Well, it's been actually more, but this past 2 3 days it got up to 105. So yeah, I mean, apart from the birds, that's the only thing. The only thing is just the sun. And this one is, and it's another grape, but this one's the purple variety, which this one doesn't have any anymore because I've been eating them. Yep, and they're very delicious. No, these are gonna be my last, so I might as well finish them off right now. There you go. And well, I left another of the grapes, the grapevine, on this other side, right here. I want to put it, but since I'm holding the camera, it's basically what I'm doing is just wrapping it in there. Okay. There we go. So from here you can either you can do several things to tie it. I mean, you can put you can just tie it off with each end, just make a knot, which I've been doing. You can also put tape. You can put a zip tie. You can put the little wire, little small wire, tie wire, the ones I use for like the bread, or see, You can do several things. So, or you can just leave it like that, But I just tie it up. I do a knot right here, which I'll show you right here. You see? I just did just one knot, and that's it. You can always take it off and reuse them. So, see. So I mean, this is what I did. It's been working for me. Um, I think it's a cheap, economical way. I bought these. I bought these from. There's people that sell fruits. So I bought them off of this person for $7, and it has like a 150 on them. So I mean, for that price, it's pretty good. All right, guys. So thanks for seeing, and I'll see you all later.